Note that break-even was replaced with a more advanced strategy named managing orders. You can use managing orders the same way we use break-even in this video. So we decided to keep it on the website for education purposes. Good day and welcome to molecule6.com break-even training video. So as you can see here, we are in the JForex platform at Duca's copy. It's a demo, so we can play around here, no problem. And I recommend that you do that before doing anything else in live. But now we are here to talk about strategies in the break-even. The first thing that you need to do, of course, is to go to your window explorer, and you need to copy your folder or paste it into the My document. Then there's going to be a My Strategies folder into My document, and you need to put your break-even file into that folder. Okay, as soon as you do that, you will go into what we call the workspace here, where you choose your currencies and your indicators and so on. There's a little name folder called strategies, so you can expand it like that. It will not be there yet because you need to highlight strategy, right click on it, and choose open strategy. When you do that, there's going to be a box opening here, and you're going to choose the break-even strategy. It's already there for me, but do select the break-even. It will open underneath strategies right here, and you will notice that it will be red like this. So that means it's not active yet. Okay, so to activate this strategy or this little automation tool, you need to right click on it and say run. So when you do that, there's a box for the parameters that's going to be opening. So in that box, you could have many different presets. I will show you how to do that, but there's going to be a default one, which may be like this. So what this means is that every time there's an order opening on the system, it will put an automatic stop loss at 10 pips away. It will take a take profit position 25 pips away. It will shift your stop loss from 1, okay, you could put 0, we'll put it at break even, or plus 1 pip if you want to cover at least 1 pip of profit in that trade. But if it reached the trigger point, which is 10 pips in profit, the stop loss will be moved to plus 1. Okay, so that's what this little tool is doing when you are trading manually or sometimes scalping or whatever. I'll show you a few things here. So those are the preset, but you could change those numbers. Like I have other presets like this one, for example, which is a stop loss of 25, and I named it for it to be very easy to find the setting I want. That depending on market conditions, I could change from one preset to another one, which this one is different. It's a stop loss of 35 and a take profit of 35 and a shift to plus 4 if it reached 20 pips in profit, protecting the trade and letting it go to a maximum profit, or if it turns back on me, at least I got 4 pips protected. Okay, so you could create many of those. So let's imagine that you want to have something like 60 and a take profit of 60 as well, and you want it to move to break even at 0 completely if it reach let's say 25 pips in profit. Okay, so for you to remember that name, and look here, it's going to change as soon as we put a new number here. If your stop loss is now 60 and you want to remember it, that's the way I do it. And I go and change the similar indication I have down here, 25. You see, now you could save this. Now in your listing you have this new setting available, so you could go back to a previous one or go to the new one you just created very easily. Okay, if you don't want this one anymore, you delete it. If you don't want this one here, you delete it. And now you're left with the ones that you prefer. Okay, so let's say for the demonstration purpose of this video, I will put a scalping preset, which is a stop loss far away. I can close manually the trade. I don't need to let it go to 25 in loss, but I don't want it in the way, so I put it far away. I'm looking for a 3 pip profit. I will shift to 1 pip in profit if it reached 2.5 pips in profit. So the trigger is 2.5, so it will go fast. It will either take the stop loss and move it to +1, and then the price will move to 3 and take out that 3 pip profit, or if it retraces a bit, I'm out at +1. Okay, so let's imagine that we do that for